friend Michael Chemers here has written a play for
I've written it.
For Angel and John, and we're all drunk.
Well, Angel and
we love Angel, and we just want to say that for those of you theater purists out there, both of you, this will probably offend you, and for those of you who know all these plays, all these authors, excuse me, all 5 of you, you'll hopefully enjoy it. So,
as for the rest of you, just assume it's funny when everybody else laughs. Angel and John, you better get front and center here. Angel's here, John's here, great, everything's great.
Begin. Shakespeare. Enter. Begin. Shakespeare. Enter the clouds.
Good morrow, good sir, good tidings, God have mercy.
Cacciatorio, my good friend. What unlikely tide or stem of lo that strumpet fortune doth use thee in as much goodness to have placed it upon thy face this beaming, happy light and gone malfeasance. Lo, so much that thou dost smile ever, and forsooth all day long herein, hawk fain malcontent.
Indeed, I am too much in the sun for even thy lowly pandering. For thou, Encino, art an actor, and inasmuch as in the nature of your breed, to hark, and feign, and mourn to thy heart's content, and lo, are forced by that rude hand of fortune still, to spend thy days auditioning, and thy nights at drinking swill.
How cruel, how delicate do sit the sweet harmonies of fate.
Well, you may say. For one among our ilk has passed on to which you for to wane, that in the holy bonds of wedlock doth retire, and the birds do sing and think it would not night.
Art thou afflicted with a brain fever?
Would that I were! I should count myself a king of infinite space, had I suffered such a treatment at the hands of fortune, that strumpet. As hath the harmonies and well-wished fantrangels of Lord John Savala, when which and not beneath to whom hath the lovely hand of angel been most passingly and lovingly bestowed upon him.
Oh, speak again, bright angel.
Speak again, bright angel.
Hath forsooth and for truth and for truth and uncouth been married?
Yea, by my troth we must so quickly off, and let us plan together the marriage feast.
Stop. Tennessee Williams.
Planning marriage feasts is women's work.
When I was younger, I was able to really laugh.
Angel, I can't believe it. You'd never have thought it.
Perhaps in the naivete of dreams I would, when it was cold and wet that night with my back against the soft underbelly of the world.
You're just like all the rest. God, you make me angry.
You're an ass.
You're an ass.
Well, then I guess together, we're an ass menagerie.
Stop. Ionesco.
Menagerie? My foot. I am as real as the next man.
Stop. Pinter.
God! John!
Oh, God. Angel.
She can't really.
Just.
What?
Just. What? Just forget it, all right? Forget it.
Can't you
Just once.
be happy
For her,
for them,
for warmth,
forsooth?
for thought.
Forget it. Just forget it.
Stop. Aeschylus.
See how hotly I am Apollo shines. Surely it bodes well for the wedding.
It is brave of you, King Orthodox, to think of Angel's wedding when you have just discovered that the woman you married is actually not related to you in any way.
The times have been trying, my friend. The plague of Athens is foul, but not so foul as one of Odysseus' jokes. Tell me, flying past, what What do the chicken guts foretell of the future of the young mother?
I consulted the chicken guts last night in my pajamas. How the chicken guts got in my pajamas, I'll never know. And I shall tell you what they said.
Tell! Chorus, trophy. He is going to tell what the chicken guts said. Anti-trophy. What the chicken guts said, what the guts said, all the guts of it all.
The chicken guts tell of the great warm oodles of happiness and loveliness forever.
Hurrah!
They also say they'll name their first child Michael, whatever that means.
I command the feast.
Stop, David Mamet.
Fuck the stupid chicken guts.
Yeah, fuck you!
You're jealous.
Don't be a fart-brained son of a bitch.
You wanted to marry her.
Who did?
You know they'll be very happy together.
Don't fucking rub it fucking in. Fuck it.
Fuck!
Stop, Juliet.
Les pieds sont grands, mais je ne rase.
Stop, Henry, please.
I'm pining. I'm pining for Leonor.
Hey, has anyone noticed the 14-foot high bust of the playwright in our living room?
Stop, Chemers.
Who?
I don't know, my script runs out here.
Very good.
Are we done now? I guess we're done.
Yeah, I guess. You want to go back to my place?
Yeah, all right.
Wait,